Good morning. My name is B. Moorhead. I'm the Executive Director of Texas Impact, and I appreciate the opportunity to be here and testify for this bill, which we really wholeheartedly support. Texas Impact is an interfaith organization. We work with faith communities across the state, and we have, I think, a lot of investment in this bill. We've been working on this initiative since the very beginning, and I'm happy to talk to you or answer questions about any specifics in the bill that anybody has questions about, but what I wanted to do in my testimony is more kind of come back up and talk about the big picture a little bit about this initiative. And to do that, what I wanted to do first was to share two conversations that I had actually over the past couple of days that I really think kind of together illustrate the paradox that Representative Colcourse and Representative Zerwas have both recognized at different times, and that Representative Colcourse was just talking about as she laid out the bill. And that's the paradox between the government services that we have and the need for robust government services and the real opportunity and need for local faith and community-based. And we are particularly faith-based, but there are certainly secular community-based organizations that benefit from this initiative. I got an email a couple of days ago from a woman who said, she said a lot of things to me, but one of them was helping people is a really important thing, but it's just such a delicate job that only really churches can do it. It shouldn't be the government's job. And Texas Impact really disagrees with that because we think that the government does have a role in providing services and assistance to people. Then I had a conversation with a friend who I really love and respect, and she kind of fussed at me about this bill, and she said, you know, this is really a slippery slope, and you shouldn't be trying to bring churches into any kind of partnership with the government. It's a problem with church-state separation, and we really think that's wrong, too. What we think is that you really need to be considering a totally different paradigm for the way that we serve people in local communities, a paradigm that is really a paradigm of community and shared responsibility. This initiative in this bill is about building robust partnerships between state government programs, local government, local nonprofits, and faith communities as well. There is a lot of turf and a lot of silos and a lot of barriers that exist right now. And at a time when the budget is tight and a time when there is so much need, it's not just unnecessary, it's cruel to maintain those barriers that prevent people from getting served and prevent people of goodwill from participating in helping other Texans when they really sincerely want to. That's what this initiative is all about, and it does work within the structures of government that we have and the structures of local communities that exist to build, I think, a framework that expresses love as well as anything we have in state government. So I can commit to you that Texas Impact and the faith communities we work are planning to work very hard in implementing this, and I just want to thank Representative Colcourse and Zerwas for sponsoring the legislation and for having this vision. So thank you.